Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where 5 to the power x plus 6 is equal to 6 to the power x plus 5, or we know a exponential rule, a to the power m plus n is equal to a to the power m times a to the power n. So apply this rule, we can write 5 to the power x times 5 to the power 6 is equal to 6 to the power x times 5 to the power 6. 6 to the power x is 6 to the power 5. Or now divided both sides by 6 to the power x times 5 to the power 6, we can write 5 to the power x times 5 to the power 6 over 6 to the power x times 5 to the power 6 is equal to 6 to the power x times 6 to the power 5 over 6 to the power x times 5 to the power 6. Or now here this 5 to the power 6 cancel out this 5 to the power 6, so we will get 5 to the power x over 6 to the power x is equal to, here 6 to the power x cancel out 6 to the power x, so here we will get 6 to the power 5 over 5 to the power 6. Or we know another exponential rule, a to the power m over b to the power m is equal to a over b whole to the power m. So apply this rule, here we can write 5 over 6 whole to the power x is equal to 6 to the power 5 over 5 to the power 6. Or now taking log on both sides, we can write here log of 5 to the power 6 to the power x, log of 5 over 6 to the power x is equal to log of 6 to the power 5 over 5 to the power 6. Or we know a logarithm formula, log of a to the power b is equal to b times log of a. So apply this rule, we can write this x move here, so we will get x times log of 5 over 6 is equal to log of 6 to the power 5 over 5 to the power 6. Or now divided both sides by log of 5 over 6, we can write x times log of 5 over 6 all over log of 5 over 6 is equal to log of 6 to the power 5 over 5 to the power 6 all over log of 5 over 6. Now this cancel out this, so here we will get x is equal to log of 6 to the power 5 over 5 to the power 6 all over log of 5 over 6. Or again we know that a logarithm formula, log of a over log of b is equal to log of a minus log of b. Now apply this rule, we can write x is equal to log of 6 to the power 5 minus log of 5 to the power 6 over log of 5 minus log of 6. So finally we will get the value of x is equal to 5 times log of 6 minus 6 times log of 5 over log of 5 minus log of 6, and it is our final answer. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.